Well, hello there YouTube, and today is a very rainy day. I just stopped over at a Walmart. I was going to go running but decided against it. It's also very cold, and I can already tell you that my trail running will have to change. I have to find warmer clothing, and I know too that if I get wet, I could get sick or something, so I have to be very careful how I train. I'm looking at options. I do have a gym membership, but I think the gym is closed. But on another note, I did get this gifted to me, which is there we go, some jam, and it's wild berry, it's organic, and that's pretty cool. And that's one way I fuel myself. I literally have some jam and bread, just like the song, I guess. And I eat that, and my van cooking isn't extravagant. It's very simple. I know there are some really fantastic people out there that are doing amazing videos on van cooking. Well, at this time, this isn't it. The closest I'll probably get is maybe van baking. I do have one of those ovens, and maybe I'll show that to you. But yeah, so nice rainy day. I'm actually just gonna relax today, just chill out for a bit, maybe find a spot. I'm thinking of heading out to Toronto if the lakeshore is open, and just sort of catch up on some reading, whatever the case may be. But thanks for visiting my channel. If you like it, if you want to see some more stuff on how I built up my van and stuff, I will be posting videos. I'm going to be working on that stuff, and hopefully it'll be helpful. Okay, thanks.